Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're already, thank you so much for coming back. If you're a new viewer, please click on that subscription button. It is free, so you can see all the videos that I do upload. And I'm going to take you into my living room and get this living room tour going. This is for spring, so everything is refreshed, cleaned out, and as you know, I'm going the minimalistic route. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you guys for coming back. So we are entering the living room, and I'm going to take you step by step of what I have here. So if you are interested in purchasing it, you can definitely refer to what I'm talking about. The mirror up there was taken from Home Good. Not taken, but I purchased. Those two pillows, the one in the front of the furry pillow in the back, came with the couch from American Furniture Warehouse. My family is forever sign, as I mentioned before, is from Walmart. My love sign and the clock is also from Walmart. This flower arrangement was made by me. My candle holder I got from Goodwill, and the candle also from Goodwill. Like I mentioned, guys, my couches are from American Furniture Warehouse. So all my big furniture pieces are from American Furniture Warehouse. This beautiful wall art is from Burlington, guys. I love it. It reminds me of a Z Gallery dupe. My table is also from American Furniture Warehouse. When it comes to spring, I like florals. I'm not really a person that takes care of plants, real plants, so I will do with the fake ones. This beautiful entryway table is from Ross. My mirror right there is from the Goodwill, including this beautiful wall art. Guys, don't skip on the Goodwill, especially if you're on a budget. So we are currently in my kitchen, guys, and I painted these cabinets by myself. I try my best. I use Rust-Oleum white chalk paint, guys. I love it. It used to be this oak color, and I'm not a fan of it. I really wanted to change it, and I'm glad I was bold enough to do it. Guys, a lot of people get rid of a lot of things in the springtime because they purchase things they do not need. So if you definitely check your Goodwill or your secondhand store, you can definitely find some good things for a great price. I love this. This is our home. I got it at the Goodwill. And guys, I rather wait and purchase something that I'm interested in, that will match my style. As you can see, my style is a rustic glam style. I lean more towards the glam, but I like rustic, so I definitely include rustic pieces in my home decor. So guys, definitely purchase what you need and keep your home clean and fresh. It helps you definitely. Less cleaning is better for me. As I mentioned, guys, do not forget to click on that subscription button. Thank you so much for tuning back in. God bless you all.